See the problem number 1. If NC4 equals to 210, find N. We know that what is the formula of NCR? NCR equals to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So NC4 N factorial by N minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial equals to 210. So N factorial can be written as N times N minus 1 times N minus 2 times N minus 3 times N minus 4 factorial by N minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial equals to 210. So N minus 4 factorial, N minus 4 factorial get cancelled. N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 by 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 210. N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 by 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24 equals to 210. N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 equals to 210. 24 transpose right side, multiply with 24. So 200 times of 24 is 5040. So N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3. So 5040. So 5, 10 table, 10 5s, 10 4s. 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 8 7 are 56. So it can be written as 10 times, 9 times, 8 times, 7. So n times n minus 1 times, n minus 2 times, n minus 3. Observe that n equals to 10, n minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 minus 2 is 8, 10 minus 3 is 7. Therefore, the value of n is 10. Problem number 2. If 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 4. Okay. See, NCR equals to NCS. NCR equals to NCS. Then n equals to r plus s. So NCR 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 1. So it is in the form of NCR equals to NCS. Then n equal to r plus s. That means, see the question, 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 4. So NCR equals to NCS. Then n equals to r plus s. 2r minus 1 is the r plus 2r plus 4. Now find the value of r. So 15 equals to 2r plus 2r is 4r. Minus 1 plus 3 is, minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. 15, 3 transpose to left side minus 3 equals to 4r. So 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 equals to 4r. So 12, 4 transpose to left side divided by 4 equals to r. Therefore, 4 3 times r equals to 3. R equals to 3. Second one, same concept. NCR equals to NCS. 12CR plus 1 equals to 12C 3R minus 1. Same, n equals to, so 12 equals to r plus 1 plus 3r minus 5. N equals to r plus s. So 12 equals to r plus 3r is 4r. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. 12 minus 4 transpose left side plus 4 equals to 4r. So 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 equals to 4r. So 4 how many times? 4 times. So 4 equals to R.